He's going.
Okay, cool. Hey everyone, I am back. You guys, you have not seen me for over a month. I know y'all missed me. It's fine. But, so today we actually have a really cool setup. We are going to be doing a race today. So, we'll see who wins this, but what's the race? We're going to see. So, I actually have some weeding utensils, and we actually have some pre-cut designs. So, we're going to see, with our competitors here today, who is going to win the weeding contest. We have 3 rounds. You have to stick through 3 rounds to see, and we'll meet our competitors now. So on my left is Sasha.
Hi.
She has been in the art department for a while, so she might have a game up. Nick says, come over here. So Sasha's in the art department. She might have a game up on our other competitor, but I don't know, maybe she won't, maybe I won't.
How much experience do you have with weeding, Sasha?
Well, I've been here for about 3 years, so I'd say about that.
That's cool. It's whatever. It's 3 years.
3 years.
So, and our next competitor over here is Kevin. Kevin works in the warehouse and absolutely does nothing with weeding the vinyl. So this might be a lot of fun. So, right now, I'm going to see, Kevin, which utensil. We have a pick, a knife, and a weeding hook.
I am going with the hook. Everyone
Okay.
knows I prefer the hook. So.
All right.
If you use a hook at home, then you got to be rooting for Team Kevin.
Yep.
Yeah, you're
Yep.
Team Kevin right now. So
Thank
put your
you.
vote on who you think is going
Yes.
to win these 3 rounds. Team Kevin or Team Sasha? So we'll see. Sasha, knife or pick?
I'm going to use a combination of both.
Okay, we're getting fancy here today. Okay, so we got our competitors are ready with their weeding hooks and picks and knives and everything in the planet for weeding. Okay, so round 1, we are going to be doing our banana yellow easy weed. This is a custom color that we only sell. It is a banana color. So you get your shape here. You get your shape.
Okay.
They don't know the designs. They don't know what they're weeding. Should we have them come in a little bit closer? Because I kind of don't want to. No? Okay, come
closer. I guess I can bop between the 2 of them. Squeeze them up close.
I want to know what's
Yes.
going on. I don't want to be in your zone though. So, hey, weeding stuff on the ground.
Sorry.
Oh, well, so rules is once you think you have it done, give it to Carly and she'll approve it. For
You have to get all the insides. There's text. There's some design on here. If you miss anything, you don't win. I don't know. Maybe not.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Wait,
So-
question.
Yes.
Can we ask you about should this come out?
No.
Can't ask you about that?
Can't ask me anything.
Okay, so we
besides-
will improvise.
It's not that hard of a design. I did a really easier one. So, okay. Hands on your head.
Hey.
Oh!
Ready, set, go.
Oh. All right. So what I like to do, I like to start in the corner here. You just get a nice little pull.
My technique. Whatever, I already had that
After,
technique.
man.
Yeah. Well, Sasha's technique is just.
I'm gonna get an elbow thrown in my face.
I know,
Yeah.
you better get out of here.
6
Yeah, 6 feet. That's
Oh, yeah, I
right.
suppose, yeah.
Oh.
I'm getting over on this side, James.
Sasha, you going aggressive? Kevin's going.
I'm hands-on on this one.
There you go.
Oh.
Sasha's got the big part going. Oh no.
Oh no! The liner! That sticky liner, ladies and gentlemen, is
Oh, let's
hindering
go
me.
in there.
There we go.
Sticky
There we go.
liner, sticky
There we go.
liner.
There we go. Oh yeah. Let's see.
Now the hard part, get in the middle. The little
Yep.
designs going.
All right.
Gots to get it
Okay.
all.
Well, let's see what. I think this part.
Sasha, you got the hobby knife right now?
Yes, I do have a hobby knife.
Awesome.
I like X-Acto
I
knives.
feel like we use that in the art department.
Let
a
us
lot.
know in the comments who you think is going to win
Oh,
round
God.
1, Kevin or Sasha.
Pretty neck and neck right now.
Place your bets.
Get it all,
There's something
everyone.
there.
Get it all.
Eh.
Art department, we used to use hobby knives all of the time. Anytime we weeded anything, it was a knife. All the time. But I did switch over to a pick. I do like my picks, so that's my little snippet for the day. A little fun fact for Wednesday.
Oh man, you guys are neck and neck. I don't know
Oh, God.
who's leading.
Get out of here, Kevin.
I was practicing at home.
You were
No,
practicing.
no, I'm kidding. I wasn't.
Get out. Sorry, there's gonna be a mess on the floor.
That's okay, I'll clean up better.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Now we'll do a competition how fast someone can clean up.
Yeah. Sasha, you look like you got most of the words done. You got
I think I
something
got every. Wait, am I missing
You're
something?
missing one thing.
What am I
One
Here you
thing.
go, Carly.
Let's take a look,
No.
Kevin.
What?
Wow.
What am I
And
missing?
ding, 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 ding. We got a winner.
What am
Thank
I
you.
missing?
I threw that little
Thank you.
extra eye in there. Look at that.
Oh, oh, shiitake mushroom.
Okay, so we
now
have
I got it.
All right.
So Caesar was a sticky liner, so we saw that came into play quite a few times
Oh,
here.
yeah.
So Sasha, because you are the loser, I'll let you talk first about what did you think that you could have done differently, or that you liked your weighting utensils, but maybe
Yes.
didn't work in a certain way, or what?
Yes, so I do like the pick because it's it's sharp, but it's also dull. My X-Acto knife was kind of going through a little bit, which don't do this motion very much. I like to do the side motion, but because I was brushing into it. But I like the sticky liner because I can stick like pieces to it in the corner. But yeah, it was just that little piece. I
Yeah.
just couldn't see it very
You're
well.
close, but Kevin gotcha.
I got you.
I know you did.
Kevin, what was it like for details?
It was actually very easy with the weeding hook, unlike some other tools that I know. I don't know. What I like is I just like the hook because you don't have to like really move your wrist. I think you can just kind of let the hook, work the angle.
Oh my
for
gosh,
you.
we're getting
That's kinda
really
like-
fancy right
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
It's all on the wrist.
Round two, I think.
Okay, Kevin won round one. We're
Yes,
on to
I
round
did.
two. Now
All right.
Going on.
we're getting a little spunky here. We're gonna use glitter, textured glitter.
No, I've
Now-
never weeded glitter before, so I know that. I've weeded a couple
Well,
things.
thank God
in
you
my
won the
life, but-
first round then.
Yeah, right,
Okay, so Caesar textured glitter.
That's the tawny.
This is the tawny. I'm gonna make sure your designs are the correct way so I don't mess you up. Okay, hands on your hips.
Oh, hips? Okay.
I saw you already doing it. So. And ready, set, weed.
Oh.
Oh, every time.
Hey.
Yo, what's the... Oh, I can already tell this one's going to be kind of difficult to tell what's going to get weeded and what's not.
Yeah, we'll see.
This glitter is definitely a trickier to weed than just the regular HTV.
Gonna get
It
it all in
is
here.
easier because you don't have to do big or little designs. It's harder when you do little designs. But like Nick was saying, it's trickier because one, you can't use those small designs, and two, it can be ripped pretty easy. So you
Oh,
have
yeah.
to be careful. Not a very tacky liner. It is, but it's not that tacky. I think you messed up, Kevin. But
I think I did, yeah.
we'll let you roll with it. Just
We're
keep-
gonna let me fix
let's
this.
fix it.
We're just gonna.
Sasha, this is your comeback.
I did do this on
Go back.
a reason, and we'll go over it at the end.
Let's see.
Hmm.
Wait. Yeah.
Man.
That.
We got a pretty
That. And this.
Okay.
Wait.
Nope.
Wait.
Oh. Don't mess up.
Okay. I'm not gonna. Wait.
I made it easy on them too because I did do a little harder cut setting, like 2 more settings up so you could really see the lines. I was being generous, you guys.
Yeah, it's really important if you would just cut it just a little bit, like not enough.
Man.
It's really hard.
Really hard to
Oh.
see it.
Really hard to weed.
Yes. Which I am trying to make sure. Is this cut? Aha! All right.
Should I check it over?
No.
Okay.
Give me some time
Not
to
yet.
catch up here.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh! I think I did it.
What is it? Oh, it's a unit.
Oh wait, no. Okay, now I feel confident.
Okay, let's check it over. Kevin, you can still go.
Oh yeah.
I'm checking over. This is a little harder design. All right, Kevin, unfortunately, your
got
first
it.
time waiting, you did lose.
That's terrible.
This is a really good thing, though.
How did you do that?
Okay, I'll be honest, though, this is a really cute design.
Yeah,
it's
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 fine.
It's
I love,
fine.
dang it. And I love that it's a unicorn with glitter.
Yeah, but I have a son, so he won't want that. Maybe he would. Heck, I don't know what he wants
who
anymore.
knows?
But, okay, so Sasha won this round, is now tied. As you can see, if you want to zoom in, Kevin, what did you do wrong, Kevin?
Well, obviously I messed up right here,
That's
but
a big obvious.
I think one thing to note, yeah, what Carly was saying there, she was generous, cut it with a little bit more force, but if you just cut it regularly, it's almost like impossible, I think, to see that design. You really got to like. I mean, I was like
Looking
this
at
the
the
whole
light.
time, yeah,
We
trying
both
to right
were like,
angles.
what's
and-
going on?
So I don't know, but
What tips do you have for seeing the cuts in the design?
Yeah, so anytime you see cuts in your design, the biggest thing to remember, and anytime you even start with heat transfer vinyl or any type of vinyl, always weed from the outside in. So you always get the outside. You can see them getting the outside going. Kevin, I think what you did was you grabbed one of the lines.
I did, yeah.
And
Yep.
so you weren't going from the outside where you see like, this is weeded, now there's a cut line inside, I can grab that one
yeah,
next.
yeah, that makes sense.
You went right for the
Right
line.
for the heart. I was like, oh, that's a cool little detail there. I'm gonna get that one out quick.
So it
That
is
was part of
interesting, but like he knows what he's doing. Like he knows he transfer vinyl,
Mm-hmm.
but it is something to be aware of. Outside, you're welcome. Outside in. So Tide, you can
Round
throw those
three.
ones on the
Round
ground.
3, sudden death.
Sudden death. Okay, and our last one, we got holographic.
Oh!
Got some holographic. This is a very this is a more stiff vinyl. I want to say, is it sticky or non-sticky liner?
We'll find out. I think it's sticky.
I think it's sticky.
We did. We just optioned it.
Yeah, it is sticky.
It's
It's pressure sensitive. Okay,
Oh man.
face the back
Oh, wait, like this?
and rub your belly.
Oh.
Ooh,
Ready, set, weed.
I'm hungry all of a sudden. Oh man.
Okay,
Okay,
so
who thinks Kevin's gonna
Oh.
win? Who thinks
How easy
Sasha?
is it to
Oh
check
God.
man, getting this in there.
Wow. Yeah, having a little bit of trouble.
Yeah,
It's a little bit stiffer.
you duct
Yeah.
tape this one.
Ooh. Oh no.
Oh jeez, I messed up.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. I got it started. Yeah.
Once you get it, it's a lot easier.
Definitely.
But that first little bit.
Come on, Kevin.
Yeah. Well.
Yeah.
I got it, okay?
No pressure.
Oh, there you
Yes, it is
first
a
one
sticky
right there.
liner.
Yes.
It is a sticky liner.
Sorry.
Oh God.
No, here, let me tell you.
I know. As I'm like, okay. So it's
All
this
right.
one.
Get in there, Kevin.
I'm trying, man.
you go.
Oh God.
Like I don't know. I don't know what's going on here.
All right.
Open the corner. Open like the very far corner, and then you can lift it up. There you go. There you go.
Not gonna lie, the X-Acto is kind of nice.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, so it's this, and then is it this? Is it this one? Wait, is it this? Ah, I'm a little skeptical. I might screw up.
Outside in. Outside in.
I think I did it.
All done?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, Kevin, keep going.
Oh,
I'll
yeah,
check
I'll
it
keep
over.
going.
You might want this on a t-shirt. I don't know.
It's actually really sweet.
Okay, Sasha won the third round.
Oh man.
We did holographic. It was a little alien. I
Yeah,
don't know
let me
if you-
see how that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, that's cute. I like that.
I like that.
That's a really cool, like, having a simple design and then have the pattern speak
Yeah,
for it.
I think with holographics, you almost do want. You can do subtle designs with holographic and subtle words, and holographic is so in right now. It's insane.
Oh, yeah.
But we have different styles. That's why I wanted to show different styles as well.
Yeah.
But you know, 3 years of waiting does come in part here. But that is only if you're rushing. Only. And I would advise never rush a project. I've done it.
No.
I've messed up so. So Kevin really wants this alien.
I really want to.
Do you want to use the X-Acto knife?
No.
Now a tip for Caesar Holographic. I will say I saw Kevin. He got part of the edge going. One of the things with Caesar Holographic is that once you get an edge going, you can pretty much like take the corner and almost take it back like paper and start
Yeah.
peeling. You don't really need to take a utensil for that reason, but yeah, it's just interesting. So I wouldn't say the pick or knife because she did have 2 utensils over you versus you just had 1 utensil. So the versatility here was uneven.
Rigged.
A little bit.
I
That's
did
fine.
use this one most
So
of
we
the
had
time, though.
2 utensils and 3 years of experience, 1 utensil and barely
YouTube videos.
YouTube videos.
Basically, yes.
So
I
that
guess
is
that's why I like the weeding kit, because that one has a hook, a pick, and
Yes.
an
Yeah.
X-Acto.
Yep.
So then you get to choose whatever one. Because I honestly, I felt like with this material, like it was easier to go with the flat edge underneath it because it was like thinner. It just felt thinner, well, like thicker, flatter. I guess.
More stiff to be able to peel.
Yeah,
it
to peel it up.
Yep.
So.
Yep. So that's what we had today. Metallics are still 10% off all month. Right?
5 yards.
5 yards.
Yeah.
I'm like
Yep.
made the banner and everything, right? Yep. So metallics are all 10% off. Yeah, 5 yards or more if you want to grab those up. I know this whole COVID-19, I hope everyone is staying home, staying safe. Take your vitamins, eat your veggies, do what you need to do.
We'll be here tomorrow
Yeah.
pressing some designs, not just weeding them. So I know somebody said we want to see some
Pressing.
designs pressed. So tomorrow we'll be pressing some.
You know what? Whoever said that, by the way, I did ask, should we press these as well? Like, weed and press? And Nick's like, no, maybe we should. Oh, blame Nick! That's Nick's fault.
Tomorrow I'll be on
There you go.
to press some stuff.
Yep, I'll be back on Friday, and we'll be doing some fun stuff with that as well. So I hope you guys won, whoever team you picked. Otherwise, I hope you learned some stuff.
Sorry, guys.
And otherwise, I hope you grab your 10% metallic, and I hope you wash your hands more. Okay, bye!